Where is she, Ava? Where's the puppy? You better tell me where she is right now. Where is she? Puppy! Look at her! Look at her! Hi, Gracie. Yeah, you know what? Get out of here. You're not cute anymore. Hi! Hey, Gracie, get out of here.
Gracie, jump.
Aw, she just wants to play with her. Oh, she's trying to bite on your jacket. Oh my god, she's so cute. Oh my god, her fur is so soft. Oh my god. Oh my god, I'm so sorry. Hi. Oh my god. Oh my god, she's trying to attack the camera. Ah, no, please, no. Mercy, have mercy. Ah. Be really careful since it's a puppy. Like her claws and teeth are like extremely sharp. You know, it's baby teeth. It's so easy to pick her up. She's like so tiny. She's trying to. Ow! She bit me in the neck. Ow!
You're so little. Hey, look. She's
So tiny.
Girl.
Ow! Your teeth are sharp. Okay, you know what? Here, you take her. Take her.
I'll take her.
She's got caught on my jacket lace. She's a little hyper. Let's just hope that she doesn't like turn out to be even worse than Gracie once she's older. Aww. Does she shed? Oh, hi. Hi there. Oh, come here. Hi. You like the camera? No, that's my camera. No. Hi, Gracie. Oh my god. What is this? Oh, wow. What is that thing? Oh, she's trying to climb on me now. She's trying to climb on me. Oh, you got it. That's it. There you go. Hi. Oh my god. Ow. Your teeth are sharp. Oh my god. Hi. What's this? Bailey, get out of here. Get out of here. You want to smell the smelly baby pug? Ow. She's fighting me like crazy. Ow. No. Eloise, have mercy. Go to Ava. Go to her. Go to Ava. There you go. Look at Gracie. Gracie, don't jump on her. Gracie, no.
Hey.
Gracie.
Don't even.
Gracie. Hey. Gracie.
Get her.
Leave her alone. Come here. Gracie. Hi, Eloise. Oh, look at her run. Whoa. Hey. Gracie, that is uncalled for. You leave Eloise alone. Look at them playing. Look at that. I don't think Gracie knows what she looks like in the mirror. Aww.
Right here again. I don't have her.
God, she's so tiny. Oh. Careful, she's gonna try and bite your chin.
Okay.
Yeah.
I kind of kisses.
Oh my god, her fur is so soft. Oh my god, her face is so cute. Oh, I just want to squish that. She's already trained. She's already a trained dog. Look at her. I'm gonna try and tease her with a little chew toy. Hey, what's this? What's this? What's this? What's this, a chew toy? What's this? Hey, what's this? Come on. Come on. What you got, huh? What you got, huh? What you got, huh? Yeah, she's probably not ready. Look at that. Ava and Gracie are playing tug of war. She really likes that rope. Just gonna try to bite my finger, watch. Hey, what's this? Oh. Ew. Hey!
Bananas in it. Is there a fresh banana?
I got a fresh banana.
I didn't get banana.
I did.
Maybe that's why. Maybe that's why. Okay. All right, Mom. No. Then we'll put like the extra piece in there. You guys need it. Okay. So, Mom, now we have chocolate chips.
Jacob goes, what extra
That's
piece?
true. He does do that at home too. He's like, y'all are gonna eat.
Was there an extra piece? Oh no, there wasn't an extra piece. No, it only came with enough for me.
So now we
They
have
usually, like,
Oreo
extra
cookie,
cookies out, and then they
peanut
just
butter,
leave them. I'm like,
almond
just
sugar
leaving the rest of the cookies?
They
They
just
red
leave
chocolate
like
the boxes open. And
Okay, I
everything.
heard this one's very interesting. This one I heard is like different.
is it?
Gracie, no. It really likes that pug. Something on her lips. Oh. She licked it. That's gross. Give me the cookie. She's like, give me the cookie. Give me the cookie.
You're not sharing with the baby.
Give me the cookie. Give me the cookie. Come on, here, hold on. Come on, come get it. Come get it. Come get it. Alright. Hey, Ava. Yeah, you've been hogging the puppy for a really long time. It's my turn to hold her. Can I hold her now?
She's my precious.
Can I just, I touched her. What are you gonna do? I found a working Squeaky toy. Let's see her reaction. All right, Ava. Let's see her reaction. What's that? She doesn't care. Put the top down. She doesn't care.
Oh my god, look at her.
Oh my god, her face is so much bigger than her body. Oh my god. Oh.
She's so fat.
Gracie's so jealous. Look at her. She asleep. She's trying to nibble on the bench. Oh my god, her forehead's so big. Oh, it's so cute. Oh. No, let her look at her face. She's trying to sleep on her face. Oh my god, look at her. That is a perfect shot right there. Perfect shot. Perfect shot. Oh. She's trying to bite on my zipper. Uh-oh. Hey, what's this? Zipper? My zipper. No, now she's got my lace. Why are you pulling on my lace, huh? You're gonna pull your teeth out. Just don't bite the zipper. You can chew on the lace. Oh, he's right here. What's up? What's up? Oh, where are you trying to get? Yo! Yo!
Gracie.
Oh my god, it's a baby pug! Yo, my grandpa just got a new puppy. It's a baby pug. Oh my god. Hi there.